Hey, today we're going to be talking about the Swampfox Justice 2. This is a red dot optic that is in the RMR footprint, and I do have it mounted on a Glock clone. This thing is pretty awesome. I've really enjoyed shooting this so far. You feel the quality. This is my second Swampfox optic, and I'm really enjoying the optics from these guys, and I really think a lot of people overlook them. I think they're a little newer to the market. They put out really good stuff that I've seen so far. So this Justice 2, I'll just read you some info off the box here, that it's a multi-reticle. And this is one thing I did like about this option, is you have the choice of 4 reticles. You can have the red dot, and then you can have the dot with the circle and the crosshatches, similar to like the EOTech. And then you can have just the circle. Well, here, I'll show you. I think you should be able to see that there. The 4 reticles, it's pretty awesome. It is a bigger sight glass. It's, what do they call it? Is it a 28? It's a 30 millimeter lens. So it is pretty good sized. It's a good looking optic. And with this, it is, you can see here, the battery is loaded through the top, which I really like that feature. And that's kind of become the standard for me when I look at optics for my pistols, is if I have to take the optic off to change the battery, I'm not going to buy it. I have a couple others that are like that, and I got those at the time when there really weren't that many options. I won't look at a model anymore, for my personal use at least, unless I can either top load the battery, or I've seen some that have a side load tray you can put the battery in where you don't have to remove the optic. And the reason for that is I don't want to have to re-zero it every time I change the battery. Not that I change the battery a lot, but if I were to need to do it, I'd like to be able to change the battery and then the gun's back in service. Now, I do shoot enough that I do check zero from time to time. Would it be that big of a deal? Probably not. But for me, that's just a feature I look for. So on this Swampfox, you have your up button on this side, and then the down for the intensity there. And then you have the feature to scroll. You can scroll through to pick your reticle. This optic does have night vision compatibility, so it does have the low setting. So if you're looking through your nods, you can pick the dot up. It's really nice. I do like it. Now with your elevation and your windage adjustments, they do provide you with a small tool, just a little bitty screwdriver. They do have audible and tactile clicks. It does have the shake awake feature. On the back side here, what you will be looking at, it is serrated, cuts down like a serration cut in the finish, and it does cut down on glare. And you see me flagging myself. The gun is empty, of course, I've checked that. But with this, it cuts the glare down here. Viewing picture is nice and crisp. The glass is super clean, and I have nothing bad to say about it. It mounted right up. It came with the mounting hardware was there. The screws are the right length. Everything mounted up great. So far, this has been a really good optic. We're going to do some shooting with this. We'll show you some footage there. We're going to do a little durability testing also. But I just wanted to give you the quick rundown on this Swampfox Justice 2. It's a good-looking optic. Very functional. This is the red dot version. They also have this in green. The 4 reticles. Shake awake technology, which I do like. You can set your brightness intensity if this is going to be like a home defense gun. Stick it away, you grab it, it's on. I mean, it's instant, it's on. It's a nice feature. So watch for the full video coming soon. We'll be talking the Swampfox Justice 2. Be coming soon.